Good afternoon. This week's lesson is on how do you let your light shine on others? What is light? In order to know how to find our light, we need to start by figuring out what light is. Light is the form of energy that makes it possible to see things. The brightness produced by the sun, by fire, a lamp, etc., or source of light, such as an electric lamp, a light on a vehicle, something that makes vision possible, a source of light, a candle, or an electric light. God is light. The first thing God created shows us what He is, light, and that light changes everything. So here are the questions. Think, reflect. What does it mean to shine your light? Think about it. How can you make that happen? What good is a light that doesn't shine? So I would like you, for this week's lesson, to answer those questions in the Google form.